Alrighty, hi everyone. I am going to play with, I'm going to put on my apron. I just thought of that just as I hit record that I really should have my apron on. Excuse me just a second while I move my microphone and put my apron over my head. Okay. I'm going to play with glue and paint and things. I need my apron. Okay, I found a piece of, this is actually purple, not blue, it's purple. A royal purple. I'm going to get a piece of royal purple paper. I'm going to cut it the size of my tag. If I haven't said welcome yet, welcome to Texture Tag on Tuesday part 17B. No, 17A. 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 I like can you guys see the kind of texture that this paper has? One side is more smooth, and this side's got a bit of a texture. So I'm going to use the textured side of this paper, and I'm going to cut the corner off so that I have access to the hole. And then we're just going to, I think I'm just going to tape this down. I love this double tape. This is good stuff. Okay. That will give me a nice base for what I think I want to do on here. Oops, that's crooked. Is it too late? Yep, it's too late. It's down there crooked. That's okay. It's fine. It's fine. These are just, we'll just trim that off so I don't have to see the white. Right? Right. Same here. Just trim that edge off a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, I've got these really fun strings that came out of, remember this one? This texture tag? I had used this sort of burlap-y background. I'd used it for another project, and I wanted it to be frayed, so I had pulled out all the edges. And these were all the frayed bits that were at the end of that. And I don't want the thick one. But I thought these would be fun, like just glued to a tag and just left as just really pretty texture. So I'm going to do some gluing. And then maybe I've got these bits left over from last week's texture tag, that the kind of pink. Maybe I'll add that in there too. Why not? So I'm going to use some matte medium, I believe, for this, because I don't want it to dry glossy. A little matte medium. Little goes a long way. That's my aluminum foil paint palette. I'm just gonna stick some strings down wherever they may fall. Should I do? Yeah, that doesn't seem to be gluing well. Do I want to top. Should I run the string through the glue? Oh, maybe. Maybe I'll just... Oh, we're really going to get our hands dirty today. That's all right. That's all right. Sometimes crafting is just a dirty thing. You get gooey. You get gluey. I'm going to do that. I'm gonna run that through the glue. Come on, stay down. I need to redo my manicure anyway, so we will just get gluey. That's all right. Did I have a plan for this? No, I didn't. It's gonna go where it goes. Let's run another string through the glue. Oh, that worked. Okay. You know, when I'm all done, I might just dribble some of the medium right over the top. That might be the better way to do this. That might be the better way to do this. Okay, we're going to stir that through the glue. And we're going to put it right here. And then another one. That sucked up most of the glue. All right, the glue is basically dry on my palette now. You know what? Maybe I will just make a pile and glue it, sprinkle the glue on top. Maybe that's what I want to do. Okay. I think I want more. From my angle, it looks good. From your angle, it looks like it's not enough. I want more of the red. I've got more of the red as a full string. Maybe cut it into bits. Oh yeah, that's fun. Okay, oops. That one came off. Because my fingers are sticky. Imagine that. You're playing in the glue, your fingers are sticky. Okay, I think I'm just going to drizzle the matte medium right over the top. dry, and that should stick this down pretty well, right? It should. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Okay, well, we're just going to let that dry, and that's going to be it. Um, just, just fun, just a fun thing. Should I use a hairdryer to get that to dry better? I don't want that stucky. Yeah, maybe I'll use my hairdryer. Pardon me while I try to reach my hairdryer. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Got it. Mind your ears. Oh, that's hot on my finger. Hold it down with my scissors. It wants to fly away. Well, at least none of my strings flew away, which means that they're all stuck on there good. That's good. Yeah, I'll just let the rest of it dry. And we're going to be done. It's going to be a quick and dirty, down and dirty, quick and easy texture tag. Just like that. That's not the best for a thumbnail because it's not dry. Do I need to really dry it all? I think I might. Huh. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll take a picture of it when it's dry and make a thumbnail using that, or we'll just like really close in on a piece for a thumbnail. What do I do for a thumbnail today, folks? Something like that. Maybe I'll put a pile on top. And we'll just use that as a thumbnail. That's too much. We'll Just do like that so you don't really notice the glue in the thumbnail. Put my words over the top. And then you guys will know. At the end, you'll know that that's what this was. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And I will see you guys on the next video. And there we go. Texture tag on Tuesday. See you later. Bye.